Welcome back to the channel, guys. As always, I'm Sean, and today I am in a truck salvage yard here north of the city of Pittsburgh because I've located one of my grandfather's original moving vans. Now, this is one that I've been looking for a long time, and if you're familiar with the channel, you guys already know I like searching for our old equipment. The nostalgia and the history really means a lot to me, and I found one in particular that I really love. I have a lot of memories as a young kid, as a young man, working on this, playing on this. This is our 18-footer. It's an international. It's a 77, and it was our piano truck back in the day. Before I spin you guys around and show you the truck, if you're in this kind of stuff, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, I am very excited. I can't believe I found this. It's been a treasure hunt for a few years. A lot of detective work went into this. Thank goodness for those detective TV shows. All right. Last time it was inspected, 95. This side's a little rougher, but not bad. Well, I don't know if you guys could tell, but the grill's a little busted. But cross my fingers I could get some work done on it, get it running, and maybe take it to some of those antique truck shows that I like to go to. And let me know in the comment section below what we should do with it. Should I leave it patina? Should I paint it? I really dig how it looks. And just so you guys know, all of that is all hand painted right there. You can't get that anymore, so it'd be a shame to paint over it. It's a serial number. Body was built in 1977 in Nashville, Tennessee. Oh, the key's not in the ignition, but I'm sure we could find out a way around that. Well, I'm excited, guys. So the next step we have here would be to contact a gentleman who does own this now, speak with him, come to an agreement, and then try to get a wrecker down here and get it pulled over to our shop so we can begin cleaning it up and doing some work on it. But it is much smaller than I remember. It's actually a very short body. it looks relatively dry. Can't get too far in there. This tree, that tree there is grown up around the truck, so I can't get too far in there, but it's like unbelievable. I haven't seen this thing since I was about 10 or 12 years old, when they were pulling it out of the warehouse, or the back of the warehouse, and bringing it here. So here it's sat for all those years. That needs to get removed. Ron, that's my godfather that they're making fun of there. All right, I can't get back here, but maybe you guys can see what it looks like up front. Well, this is honestly really surprising. I did not expect to find the 18-footer, which is unbelievable. That's what I wanted to find because it's much smaller than the other ones. It's easier to manage. If I could get my hands on it, this thing here, and restore it. I mean, I do know who owns it. It's not the guys whose property it's on. It's actually another gentleman who we've done a lot of work with, and that's how I found this. I called him and he pointed me in the right direction. Now, I had to do a lot of searching, but it's unbelievable. I mean, really, if you think about it, that this thing hadn't hit the scrapyard and that it's still here. If you guys like what you're seeing, go ahead, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you guys want to see this restored, let me know. What should we do? Should we leave it the patina that it is? Should we redo it totally? I kind of like the patina. Let me know. If we were to get a wrecker back here, it'd probably be pretty easy because it's got a nice clear shot out.